Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have the cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons. These are perfect to have your kits go even further. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in the 3 add-ons. The first thing we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. With cardstock, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So that's 2 of one color and 1 of another. It's great if you want to do double page backgrounds of cardstock, or mat your photos, do all that, die cut some shapes, make some embellishments. Starting with Hip Hip Hooray from Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of classic green and 1 sheet of amber. For the photo play paper Love Notes, you're going to get 2 sheets of Fruit Punch and 1 sheet of Pinkini. For the Simple Stories for the Record, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lava and 1 sheet of Romance. And then Simple Stories Heartstrings, you're going to get 2 sheets of Tangelo and 1 sheet of Quartz. So you can see that a lot of these will match with the other collections. That's one reason why I like to kind of keep this out with the pattern paper. You can see how it can cross over, as well as how much the pattern paper can cross over too. So next we're going to look at the pattern paper add-on. And with the pattern paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with Echo Park, Hip Hip Hooray, we have this one, that's the little badges. The back is a little confetti on the red. This paper is called Celebrate Badges. And then we have the little pinwheels. And the back is a scalloped on the yellow. That paper is a big fan of you. For Love Notes, you're going to get this cut apart sheet. This is called Hugs and Kisses. So we have all different sizes, 4x6, 3x4s, and then some squares and oblong ones. And then this back piece is a red heart on white. Super cute. We have the stripes of bows. This is Be Mine. And the back are tags, and then you're going to get 2 sheets of 6x8 paper, so this is a lot of fun. For the Record from Simple Stories, you have this one, that's all of the labels. This is called Just the Details. And the back are the little push pins for your boards, your cork boards. This one is called Don't Forget This, and it has those super cute florals on the orange, and the back is this ledger print. Then for Heartstrings from Simple Stories, we have the banners on a ledger paper. The back is a bright pink grid design. And then we have these that are the cut aparts, 4x6 and some 3x4. And the back is this super cute little floral print. So one more look at all of the pattern paper in your add-on. So definitely get that added if you love your pattern paper as much as I do. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So the Hip Hip Hooray from Echo Park, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are really great for cards and doing your titles on your pages. Super cute. For the photo play paper Love Notes, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces for it. And then Simple Stories for the Record, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border of the florals, word labels, large words for titles. I love the glasses and the stamp, Today's the Day. Little hand with the ribbon tied around the finger to remember. And then Simple Stories Heartstring, you're going to get the page pieces. So these are the ones that are designed to make a double page layout if you want to follow their guide. But you'll get all of these pieces here. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. Be sure to check out all the available items in the store. Check out your Flavors of the Month. Check out your Shots of Life, because it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.